ഹായ് ഗൈസ്, ഇതുണ്ട് വിശേഷം. ഇന്ന് ജൂണല്ല, ഇന്ന് ഓഗസ്റ്റ് അല്ലേ? ഓഗസ്റ്റ് 9-ാം തീയതി. ഓഗസ്റ്റ് 9-ാം തീയതി ഇന്ന് എനിക്ക് 2 പരിപാടിയുണ്ട്. ഒന്ന് ക്വാൾകോമിൻ്റെ സ്നാപ്ഡ്രാഗൺ ഇൻസൈഡേഴ്സ് ഇവൻറ്റ്, പിന്നെ ഷവോമി ഹോമും ജയനഗറിൽ ഇത് റെഡ്മി നോട്ട് 17-ൻ്റെ എക്സ്പീരിയൻഷ്യൽ ഇവൻറ്റ്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ നമുക്ക് സ്നാപ്ഡ്രാഗൺ ഇൻസൈഡേഴ്സ് ഇവൻറ്റ് കവർ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമെന്ന് നോക്കാം. വീഡിയോ എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുമെന്നറിയില്ല. ഞാൻ ഒരു ഇവിടുത്തെ സെറ്റപ്പ് കാണിച്ചല്ല. ഇതാണ് ഇവരുടെ പുറത്തുള്ള ബോർഡ് ടെസ്റ്റല്ല, റിലയൻസ് ടെസ്റ്റല്ല എന്ന പരിപാടി. ആൾക്കാർ വന്ന് തുടങ്ങിയില്ല, ഇവിടുത്തെ ഓരോ സെറ്റപ്പാക്കി വെക്കുന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ. പിന്നെ നമ്മൾ യൂട്യൂബറായ ഒരു മൂവി സ്ക്രബ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ഒരാളെ ചാനലുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ചങ്ങായി മൂവി സ്ക്രബ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ആൾ ചങ്ങായി വരുന്നുണ്ട്. ചങ്ങായി യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിൽ വരുന്ന മൂവി സ്ക്രബ്. ചങ്ങനെ പേരെനിക്ക് അറിയണം. അപ്പോൾ പിന്നെ ചങ്ങേനും കൂടെ കാണാം. നല്ല വീഡിയോസൊക്കെ ചെയ്യുന്ന ആൾക്കാരാണ്. ലൈക്ക് നല്ല അടിപൊളിയായിട്ട് വീഡിയോ ചെയ്യുന്ന ആളാണ്. അപ്പോൾ മൂപ്പരെയും കാണാം. വീഡിയോ എടുക്കാൻ വിടുമോയെന്നറിയില്ല. എന്തൊക്കെ കവർ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും, വെറുതെ ഇതിപ്പോൾ ചെറുങ്ങനെ സ്നാപ്പ് പോലെ എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുമെങ്കിൽ അതൊക്കെ കാണിച്ചു തരാം. ഓക്കെ, രജിസ്റ്റർ ചെയ്ത് ബാക്കി കാണാം. ഇൻഫ്ലുവൻസർമാരുടെ വിളയാട്ടം.
Karan, better known as Movie Scrub, he's one of the biggest and well-known tech creators in India, and he has come here in Bengaluru especially to meet Snapdragon Insiders and do a live unboxing of one of our Snapdragon X series PCs. Handing it over to Karan, thank you so much.
It's very nostalgic for me. I love the weather here. I always have, and now that I'm coming from Delhi, it's such a banger weather. I mean, it's amazing. Snapdragon brings me here, and you know they actually sent me a couple of things to talk about, and then I thought I don't need this. So I was just thinking about it. This has a Snapdragon, right? It's got the 8 Gen 5, 8 Elite Gen 5. This has a Snapdragon, right? It's got the Wear Elite. This has a Snapdragon, right? It's got the Air one. I don't even have to promote Snapdragon. I'm walking wearing Snapdragon top to bottom, right? Now, quick question. There are a lot of processor brands out there in different smartphones, right? So, can you name some? Of course, Snapdragon is one. MediaTek is one.
Apple Bionic
Exynos is one.
Bionic
Tensor, yeah, sure, labeled.
Apple's Bionic.
Correct, Bionic is there. So, and you know, it's not that the other processors don't have power. They also have a lot of power, right? There's computing power. But still, honestly, why do we still prefer Snapdragon? Can anyone tell me? Why do I can give you options and you're like, no, I want to go with the Snapdragon. Why is that?
Brand.
better optimization with better very brand efficient, no hitting.
Okay. Anyone else? Someone from here? I don't know why only he's answering everything or he's answering.
Brand trust.
Okay. What else? Come on, guys.
Efficiency.
Yes. So let me expand on that. What happens is, you can always throw big numbers. But one of the things that really matters is to draw that line between performance and efficiency. You can go in a burnout mode. It's very easy, right? But to be able to then say, I'm not going to burn out to a point where your battery doesn't last or phone gets too hot. We know things like that can happen. So I think that's where we always prefer Snapdragon. It's just how they balance these two things, right? Which is why I also go with that. But today, so this is all smartphones, right? We've seen Snapdragon perform great in smartphones. Now, this is where the compute lineup also comes in, because I think that's what they're also trying to do with their laptops. Okay, it's to bring that power, but without your laptop, let's say, getting too hot or your laptop running out of battery. Just again, very simple question: what do you guys generally not like about Windows-based laptops? What do you guys generally don't like?
Battery.
Hanging issue, right? It gets stuck.
Battery backup in gaming laptops.
Battery backup is a problem. What else?
It's too heavy also sometimes, like the ThinkPad and all.
Correct. It can get heavy because they try to cool it. So they
Useless
add a lot of
AI
stuff to cool. There's a lot of piping that goes into it, a lot of fans that go into it. So yeah, it gets heavy because of that. What else? I can think of something. So
Thermal efficiency.
fan noise.
Fan noise.
Yeah, you're
Yes.
sitting in an office. You're not doing much. Right? It starts. That's another thing that happens. There's one more thing that bothers me a lot. So if I am on a laptop and if I plug it out, does it run slow or not? There's something that starts bothering you, right? Yeah. So it's that unplugged performance, right? When you take it out, your processor is not getting enough power, so it's not powering your components enough, and it's just not running fast again. This is where, the thing I talked about, performance and efficiency. I think this is where Snapdragon is also trying to bring that into the computing lineup, into the laptop lineup. What that means again is you get, I have used these laptops for a while, and trust me when I say this, and I haven't said this for Windows laptops in a long time, unless and until I'm using a Snapdragon, it goes on for multi-days, like at least 2 days. I'm not taking extreme use case scenarios like gaming or a lot of professional video editing. Of course, that can eat a battery much faster. But if you're doing regular office work, I have seen the laptop last for 2 days. The other thing that I've seen, and you can run benchmarks on this and take my word for it, take the battery out, the power cable out, it's not going to lose performance. It doesn't. And that's what you need, right? So we've got a Snapdragon powered laptop here. Just a quick show of hands. How many of you are here for Snapdragon and how many of you are here for me?
For you. For both.
What a diplomatic answer. I love it. I was scared to ask that question for myself and for Snapdragon, but okay. I might need someone to grab a mic. I'll try to be loud. Am I audible at the back?
Yeah.
Alright, great. So we've got a Lenovo laptop. I don't have my knife, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Alright, so destroy it. Sorry.
I think this is too unpopular.
Yeah. This could be something that can go as feedback to OEMs when they package. Not everyone has a knife handy, right? Alright. Alright, there we go, guys. This is a Lenovo Slim. This is, it's 15 inches? Okay. It's 15 inches, right here. Yeah. And this has a Snapdragon X series processor in it. Yeah, so there we go, guys. This is about 15.1, 15.2 inch Lenovo, right? And you got Snapdragon X right here. So yeah, again, something that can go on for 2 days on a single charge. I don't think I've seen any Windows laptop do that before. Not, let me just say it this way, not before Snapdragon came in, right? So yeah. I really have a tough time killing them from a battery perspective. So, should we start on with some...
Yeah, I think I'll add a little more on the laptop.
So, as you guys know, that this is just one of the designs that we have with Snapdragon X series. So, this is the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 and it has a Snapdragon X processor. What that means is, even though it is our entry-level processor, you get a 45 TOPS dedicated NPU. So there has been a lot of chat around tokens, AI and all of that, right? Tokens are getting expensive, AI is getting so expensive. So with Snapdragon X series PCs, one of the things that you will see here is that you can run even LLMs on device. For example, if you use an app like anything LLM where you can have your own Llama model or a Phi model on device and run those chatbots using the NPU. Now, why do you need an NPU for this, right? Some of the other PCs are doing on a CPU and GPU. What that means is, while you use the NPU, it uses a lot lesser power and it's a lot more efficient. So it frees up your CPU and GPU for other tasks that you're doing, while your NPU takes on all that heavy load of, doing the AI tasks. So these are some of the benefits even of all Snapdragon X series laptops, and you see that even on the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3. So as Karan said, we have like a 15-inch screen with a 16:10 aspect ratio, so great for productivity. You get a fingerprint scanner, it has military standard durability. All of that is amazing. But I think what you guys would like the most is the battery life, right? It lasts 2 days easily, and that's a great benefit that we otherwise lose out on those laptops. So I think it's quite exciting that Snapdragon X series is finally in PCs, and we have a lot of those PCs around in Reliance Digital Store here. So do check them out before you leave. But I'll hand it over to Karan to ask you guys some questions, to maybe do a sort of Q&A, because we are giving away a few Manchester United jerseys here. And we'd love for you guys to, get your hands on one of them. But please don't shout the answers. Just raise your hands, don't shout out the answers. And I'll let Karan take it over.
Yeah, just to add to that NPU bit, so how many of you use like Lightroom or Photoshop over here?
Regular usage. Design of regular usage.
Correct. So, a lot of the stuff that we do today to make our editing easier is that we rely on AI to detect a lot of things for us, right? So, just like how masking used to be pretty difficult earlier, but now just one click and the AI can do all of that for you. So as Ishan pointed out, with the NPU that is on the chip, it really does help, because now you don't have to rely every time on clicking, on the internet for the mask to happen. The NPU on the chip can help you do that without actually communicating with the internet, which is a lot faster, and it's also saving you battery. So, I was just trying to add to that NPU bit, because that's something I have experienced personally and really helps. Right. So now, as Ishan said, we're going to ask a couple of questions, very easy questions. If you know the answer, don't shout it out, because then no point, right? You're not going to win that. We wouldn't know who did it. So raise your hand, and we'll pick one of you. Okay. So which is the latest Snapdragon series right now? Alright, because you were the first one at that time also.
8 Gen 5.
Okay.
So 8 Elite Gen 5.
8 Elite Gen 5. Alright. That's true. So, but that's
Should
not.
we give away a Manchester United jersey, or do you want to ask something else?
Okay.
Do you want to probably talk about what is our newest Snapdragon compute?
Yeah. Okay, so let me rephrase the question. Which is the latest Snapdragon laptop computing chip right now? The latest series. Okay, I'll let someone at the back answer. Go ahead.
X1 26 by 100. Is that what?
X1?
2600.
Would that be right, Ishan?
No, I don't think so.
Right.
I think we're missing one number.
Yeah, one key number.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead. That's right.
Perfect.
That's
I'd
right.
love to have you here.
Ishan, how do we know they're not Googling it at the back?
No.
Of course you would say you were not. That's what I would say. Alright, sure. There you go. Alright, second question. What is the full form of NPU?
Neural processing unit.
Okay, alright, you're very enthusiastic. Yes. Wow, perfect.
Love to have you here.
I know he didn't Google it. Yeah, he's confirming also. This looks like he's giving this to me. Third question. Should I? Okay, we'll make this about Manchester United.
How many of you are Manchester United fans here? Not a lot. No one? Not
City
even one?
fan.
Oh no. But okay, that's fine. I think we'll still have one small trivia, but don't Google it. So we'll see who raises their hand
Alright.
first.
Alright, home stadium of Manchester United.
Old Trafford.
Okay. Nice.
I think we are finally switching you from City to United.
I mean, of course, you're my rivals. Yeah.
Good to know your enemies.
So we have 2 more jerseys to give away.
Yeah, so I have 2 more questions. Alright, so slightly tougher, okay. Which Snapdragon flagship chip do you think is going to come this year? Next.
Devices or
There is no right answer.
Yeah, there is no right answer, just what you think.
We'll see who.
Elite Gen 6. Elite Gen 6.
Gen 6 Pro.
Gen 5.
Yeah, Gen 5 is
I
already
have to
now.
pick up.
That's not a full name though. What Elite Gen 6? What is the...
Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. Elite Gen 6.
Oh no, I meant in smartphones.
Yeah, 8
Gen 6 Pro.
Gen 6.
Gen 6 Pro is coming.
You.
Pro 1 Plus
Yeah.
No.
Gen 6 Series 2 X Elite Gen 6
X Elite Gen 6.
No.
No.
Snapdragon.
Alright, you answer now.
8 Elite Gen 6 Pro.
Okay, nice. Come. I don't think I've done many meetups at all, but I think it's one of my first, and I think I really had a blast here. I really enjoyed meeting you all and doing this. And again, thank you Snapdragon for having me here. Thank you for bringing me back to Bangalore. It reminds me of my college days. So I really had a blast over here. The brief 1 year that I was here. So thank you for bringing me here. And I'm around for a few minutes. And if you guys want to come up and have a chat with me, please feel free to do so.
Finally, I met him.
Can I take it from here?
Like, I don't know what to say.
You can just say you're very happy.
I'm very happy.
I'm also very happy.
I've been watching your videos a lot.
Yeah.
Your product shoots and all. It's too good.
Thank you so much.
And thanks a lot.
Most welcome.
അങ്ങനെ ഇവന്റ് കഴിഞ്ഞു അടിപൊളി ഭയങ്കര ഹാപ്പി ഇനി നമുക്ക് ഷോമി ഇവന്റിലേക്ക് പോകാം അത് അടുത്ത വീഡിയോ ബാക്കി കാണാം